Oh yeah guys, what's up man? This is boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you on how South African YouTubers are making money on YouTube. So stick with me to the end of this video. Make sure you watch the full video and also share with your friend who are interested in making money, because in this channel we talk about making money online and some other stuff. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So if you're new to my channel, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. My channel is Dennis Affiliate. As you can see, there's a lot of videos that I do provide for you guys. Make sure you go and check everything, because I teach everything on how to start making money online using affiliate marketing and some other ways. So make sure you go straight to these videos, watch everything and start making money as possible. So yeah, I hope guys you understand everything. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Today, we're going to use the website called socialbread.com. This is a website that is going to show us on how South Africans YouTubers are making money online. All big South African YouTubers that you know today, I'm going to break them everything step by step on how to see how much they are making online on their YouTube. Number one, we are going to start with this guy called Laizwe Dambuza. Laizwe Dambuza. Laizwe Dambuza. This one. So let's click search. So I hope you guys have been asking yourself how much these guys are making. Maybe I'm making a lot of money, or maybe I'm making less of money. So today I'm going to break down everything so that you can see everything step by step and learn and decide by yourself, or either to start your YouTube channel or not, because I'm going to break everything in the front of your eyes. So this is the guy number one. It's called Laizwe Dambuza. Laizwe Dambuza, he got more than 150 uploads video, more than 681k subscribers, and also he got a video views of 73,536,934, and also countries from South Africa. Channel type is comedy. Since he created this channel January 26, 2017. So yeah, simple that. So as you can see here, subscribers rank, wala something like that, but we are going to see the revenue. Okay. So the last estimated monthly earnings, this guy are making over 752 US dollars to 12k US dollars per month, guys. So I hope you've been asking yourself how much these guys are making. So they are making up to less than 752 US dollars, or more than 12k US dollars. I don't know how much you can calculate on that, but I think this 700 can be more than something like 12,000, and this one can be more than 100 something. So sometimes it can be more or less. So you know, so these are the earnings per year. They can make up to 9k if is low, and more than 144.4k US dollars, which are more than close to 1.5 million or 180 million rands when I calculate something like that. And also, once you scroll down the goodness of this social media, social bread, you're gonna see everything what is going on: subscribers, videos views, estimated earnings, everything, how much they're making per day. As you can see, everything can go step by step. Okay, since we've seen this guy, let's see even the guy number two. The guy number two, let me see here. I'm going only to review only 3 people. The guy number two is called The Boys. I don't know if you know them. The Boys. Search. Okay, this is The Boys. The Boys got 21 applause, 22k subscribers, 2 million viewers. Country South Africa, channel, entertainment. He created this channel on February 1st, 2013. Let's see the revenue. This guy is making over to monthly of $33, which this is less. So I hope you guys got some idea on how these guys are making, as you can see here. But some, as you can see, sometimes it can be less, sometimes it can be more. So you can go, so you can just disable, and you know, this money just for free. You don't have to do anything, just creating videos, and people, when they watch your videos and they watch those ads that Google are playing or YouTube are advertising on your video, then they make money. This is how they make money, guys. So you can decide yourself to have a channel or not, but you can have it since it's for free. You don't have to do anything, just uploading video and you're good to go. Okay, let's see the other one. Let's see the last one. I'm not gonna go with more YouTubers because there are many. TA Fire is the last one, called TA Fire. TA Fire. Something like that. Okay, this here. This guy, oh, is this Lil? It's not even monetized in this way. Yeah, it is. But let's check the other one. I think this one is wrong. David Doniti. David. TV. I think this one must be the last one. My network, I think, is slow, guys, but I'm sorry. I'm sure to be okay. Okay, I just upload this guy called Sandy Nodes. I don't know if you know him, but he's got 71 upload, 43K subscribers, 2 million views. Country is South Africa, but they didn't like TS the entertainment. He opened this channel June 7th, 2014, and is making over to $65 every month. So simple as that. So I hope, guys, you understand how much these people are making, so that you can decide yourself of opening a YouTube channel or not. This is how they are making these people. You can decide yourself. You can also see how their channel performance, everything here, subscribers, video views, everything. You can see there's analytics here. So go ahead if you want to start your YouTube channel and start this channel so that you can start making money as soon as possible. So I hope you understand everything, guys. If you have any question, please ask me down in the description below. Yeah, simple that. Also, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe also. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.